In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently gather insights from social media using several key techniques. Our focus will revolve around setting up social media scraping nodes, collecting valuable competitor data, and diving deep into trend analysis to give you a strategic edge. Let's begin by talking about setting up social media scraping nodes. This is our starting point and a crucial step in gathering data efficiently. Now, you might ask, what exactly is a scraping node? Well, it's essentially a tool or a program that automates the process of extracting information from websites. In our case, it'll help you pull data from various social media platforms. To get started, it's essential to choose the right tools for the job. There are many available, such as Beautiful Soup or Scrappy, which are popular among developers. If you aren't tech savvy, consider using user-friendly platforms like Octoparse or ParseHub, which provide more intuitive interfaces. Before you start, ensure you have the necessary permissions and you're complying with the terms of service of the platform you're scraping. This ensures your actions are legal and ethical. Once your nodes are set up, the next step is collecting competitor data. This is where having those scraping nodes running comes into play. With them, you can systematically gather a wealth of information about what your competitors are up to on social platforms. This data can range from the types of content they post, the frequency of their updates, to the level of engagement each post receives. Analyzing this information will give you a better understanding of their strategies and help you identify gaps or opportunities within your own approach. But remember, it's not just about scraping all data possible. Focus primarily on those metrics that align directly with your objectives and key performance indicators. This will ensure your efforts are both efficient and effective. After obtaining all this useful information, you move on to analyzing trends. This step is where the real magic happens. With all the competitor data at your fingertips, it's time to look for patterns and trends that could inform your strategies. For instance, you might notice a certain type of content that consistently performs well, or perhaps some emerging topics that are gaining traction in your industry. Using tools like Google Trends or even inbuilt analytics on social media platforms can further enhance your understanding. Identifying trends allows you to stay ahead of the curve and tailor your content or marketing strategies to better meet the needs and preferences of your target audience. Throughout this process, remember that cleanliness and comprehension of your data are vital. Clean data ensures that your insights are reliable, while a good comprehension of what you're analyzing allows you to make informed strategic decisions. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to gleaning insights from social media scraping and analysis. By setting up those scraping nodes, gathering essential competitor data, and accurately analyzing trends, you'll be well equipped to refine your strategy, improve your content, and ultimately achieve greater success on social platforms. Thank you for tuning in, and happy scraping.